So in this video, we're going to talk about the 200 cash daily, profit 1,000 a day for life. I'm going to show you what came in, folks, in one single day in this program. This thing is absolutely exploding, guys, to the upside. It's on a rip, and we want to invite you to come be a part of what is being accomplished here. Let's roll this, and we'll talk about it on the other side. Hey folks, Tim Thomas here. Guys, go ahead and like the video, hit that like button, and the notification bell, so when I upload a video, you will be the first to know. Great things are happening. Hang on a second, guys. Great things are happening, and I could not be more excited as to what we've got going on. This thing is on a rip to the upside, and it is exciting to see what we've got going on. The 200 cash daily, profit 1,000 a day for life system is cranking out the payments. We're going to talk about what we feel that you can make in this program. Of course, in all these programs, guys, income disclaimer, nothing has to do, take action. But it's a one-page flyer system. In order to get the product, the value, the service that we have with this program, you can get involved, guys. And I'll show you how it is built-in leverage in this program. I'm going to show you how that you can leverage the ability of other people, how you can make money alongside of other people, and a team of people can help you to make more money than you can ever make by yourself. Your job is to get it started. Folks, listen up real closely. Give me about 6-7 minutes. Let's go through this thing real fast, and I'm going to show you. And also, guys, we have a print mail service. Print mail done for you, turnkey, that he can do it for you. And folks, you don't never have to lift the flyer. I encourage you to do some mailings of yourself, but Larry can do a lot of mailings for you. And we're going to get into this in just a minute. Look at this flyer, folks. It has psychological triggers all over it. Every time you get a sign up, it's $200 to you, and you can get paid $200 down through 3 levels. When you sponsor somebody, you never fall. Okay, number one, you're always on your flyer forever. Forever, folks. And then when you sign up 3 or 4 people, you're going to be number 2 on their flyer forever. They go get 5 or 6, 7, 8 people. You remain on their flyers forever. Folks, you can literally have 70, 80, 100 people mailing these flyers with your name in number 2 and 3 forever, as long as they're in the program. That's why we set up systems. When you get a chance, guys, walk over to, hang on tight. Before we deep dive into that flyer, guys, come over to the YouTube. Got some of the things we've got going on. We've got some incredible programs, multiple streams of income, folks, passive income. Your job is just to get it set up. So find something that resonates with you guys and have at it. I tell you what, these are full-time. All of these programs are creating full-time income for me, and I could not be more excited. But today in this video, we're going to talk about this flyer here. If you want to request this video, guys, this flyer, you can request it in the comment below. My email address, and I'll send you a copy of this flyer so you can get started. You can get started today through PayPal or Cash App. A lot of people are signing up. So I could not be more excited about what we've got going on. This thing is exploding, and it's exciting. Let's look at it. Let's look at the psychological triggers in it. First of all, it tells you that you can potentially make $200 a day, and it's possible. You can make $1,000 a day. It's possible. Because all you do is promote the system, and when they receive the flyer, it will do the sell, tell, explain, selling, tell, and explain for you, so you never have to. That is exciting. And folks, this is a proven formula. It has absolutely been proven to work. Stop living paycheck to paycheck. Folks, you're out there going to a job that you don't like. Get these systems set up. Get a hold of me. Get your stamps, get your labels, and get the mailing, and start receiving thousands every single week. Folks, look at this. I'm getting ready to open up this stuff. Hang on tight. Start receiving thousands. This coming in just one day. Folks, this is exciting. And it's not about how much money that you can make, but it's how many people that you can go out and help. And when you help them, you're helping yourself, and then it all starts coming back to you. This is exciting. We get paid $200 together. This is the way MLM is supposed to be. The 200 Cash Daily program is changing ways. How it works when you sign up, your name goes in number 1. This is the permanent pay box. You will remain in that box forever, on your flyer forever. Then the residual income, residual duplicatable. That's what I'm talking about. Kenny Mello flyer. This flyer is 100% duplicatable. Takes you out the way. You don't have to talk to anybody. You don't have to put your name on the flyer, your number on the flyer. It's totally optional. TNCL Marketing will take all the calls for you. And when you go and you sign somebody up, you go to number 2. When they sign up, you go to number 3, and you will always be on those permanent pay positions. You can literally have in a month, 2 times, in a few months' time, you can have thousands of flyers out there circulating with your name in number 1, 2, or 3. Folks, when you understand the potential here, you will lose sleep at night. I'm telling you what, turn your mailbox into an virtual ATM machine. Is it possible? What are the products, folks? Products, you can get a marketing kit. You're going to get labels, pill and stick labels. You're going to get a mail report. You're going to get unlimited support. The company's going to take the calls for you. We have product, service, and value added to this program. That is incredible. Marketing kit with premium leads. These are people that have been in the business and looking to make money. Let's get through this here. We'll go through this first one here. Be careful, guys. Don't tear a check or money order. I'm looking. Let's get into this thing here. Hang on. And I'll show you. We have a money order. This money order is to the admin. And it's to the admin for $100. Money order for $100. Let me keep moving quickly. The next one, let's get this thing here open. This is a money order for $200. This is to the participant, $200 money order. The one was to the admin. This is to participant for $200. Let's get through the next one, number 3. They sent this priority mail. Folks, this is incredible. And notice the date on that. It says 2/25. It got here on time. Okay. This person, let's open it up. Okay, guys, this is in black paper. They did it right. This is the welcome to the program, George Ruby, 200 Cash Daily flyer. And George sent in the admin payment for $100. Here's another one. Let's open that one up. Okay, and this is the admin fee. This is the participant for this person. For the Profit 200 Cash Daily. And this George sending in $200 for the participant. So, you're looking at a $600 day in just this one program. Folks, do you see the importance of setting up multiple streams of income? One program can pay you beyond your wildest of dreams. And then you got, let me find that other. There's another 100 sitting around here somewhere. Oh, here it is. Look at this, folks. You're looking at a $600 day, a $600 day in this program. Folks, can you mail a flyer? Can you do it over and over and over again? I'm telling you what, the sky is the limit. These systems, I'm telling you, it's easier than Forex trading. It's easier than Bitcoin. It's easier than all these other things that you have to do in affiliate marketing. I'm telling you what, anybody can plug in, take a letter and fold it and send it out. And you just repeat the process. Folks, the flyer does the explaining. It does the selling, does the telling. Again, your name's just going to go here. And then the company will take all your calls. You can choose to have your name put on your number put on the flyer. It's optional. Folks, this is incredible. Now, let me show you another thing. Let's get off the video. Give me about 2 more minutes. All American Print and Mail. All American Print and Mail. He said, dear money-making friend, you'll find the mail order program called 200 Cash Daily. When I received this flyer, I liked it. I decided to join. I mailed out 1,000 copies as a test. The first month, I received only 6 orders. I wasn't really excited about it, but I thought to myself, what if these 6 people I signed up could recruit 6 down to 3 levels? That would be very profitable. One Saturday morning, a few later, I went to my mailbox, and to my delight, another 2 people joined, totaling $400 from my mailing. Now I'm excited. Folks, he decided to start mailing for other people. So he will print and mail 16,000 copies of the 200 Cash Daily for this price, $3.99. And see, if you want to pause the video, here are the prices. He can mail out 80,000 copies. Folks, a license to get it done. This is powerful. So, guys, the 200 Cash Daily is rocking and rolling. Get involved today. Get signed up. And guys, check out, again, some of the other things on the channel. Get some multiple streams of income going and become the CEO of your life. Have more than enough. I'm telling you what, the biggest part of my day is started out after about 11 or 12 as to what I'm going to do the rest of the day. And that's a good problem to have. Well, anyway, guys, I'm nothing special, maybe to my family and friends. But anyway, folks, if you like the video, please, again, subscribe to the channel. Like the video, hit the notification bell, and I'll bring you some more stuff. And I'll see you on the next one. Get started today. Request the flyer information below on the video.